One of the great things about utilizing a solution like Practice IQ over the top of your practice management database is that you do have instant access to all the information over all time. And you can drag and drop and build your own scenarios based on what you need to find out. The big thing there is that history piece. So you can get access and see a complete picture of the history going forward. So in this case, we're just using one of our standard Excel templates for ad hoc reporting, and this is our standard WIP movement view. So we've got a picture by Matter Partner for the month of June, with an opening picture through the closing and all the movement involved in between. So in order to gain access to the information over time, it's just a matter of dragging and dropping a few things around the format. So I'm not necessarily interested right now in the breakdown by partner, but I am interested in the time aspect. So just dragging the periods option down onto the row, and then picking the years I want to see, gives a good picture of what's been happening over the last 3 years in terms of movement. So back in 2016, the start of the year was that and closed at that, and so on and so forth up through the years. So you can get a clear indication of how things have been progressing over time. One other thing that's possible within the system is to import things like benchmarks or forecasts. So from a strategic point of view, you can see where you've been and where potentially you want to go to, and allow you to then track that into the future. So if you import future benchmarks or forecasts, there might be best scenario, worst scenario type things going on. You'll be able to get exactly the same view here. Now, for example, possibly you'd import a fee budget going forward, and you can see how you're tracking strategically over time towards that. Things like recovery percentages, you might have a best scenario or worst scenario in the system, and again, you can track your actuals going forward and see what you have to achieve in the next little while to get up to those scenarios. So that was just a quick example of using our standard templates and standard data sets in the Practice IQ solution around the bigger picture, and being able to quite quickly see how things are progressing over time, and also the potential of combining future measures into that process. So that's it for this short demo. For more information on anything around optimization, just browse around the site you're on at the moment. And you can also check out the Practice Hub for additional information on any upgrades or updates. Thank you.